Hello, my brothers and sisters. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. So, in this video, we'll see what are the changes they have made for CA Interlaw, where they have issued a new study material now for May 2025 exam and onwards. They have issued a new study material and they have given free study material so the students can avail it. Yeah. So, but for law, is there a new study material required? So we will see that. I have compared all those and we figured out that there is no much change. One, if you skip this video, no problem. In the starting, nobody says it, I'll say no problem because nothing is added. A lot of things are deleted. Few things are deleted. That's it. So let's start. First section, chapter 2, section 8, where they have removed form numbers. Form numbers is removed. So those who have purchased my summary notebook, yes, we have done this in a flowchart manner. So yeah, in regarding section 8, page, I'm sure it is mentioned in section wise, so everybody can find it out. So in this, the form number is removed, and in class itself I told form number is not much important. If for example, let's say there are 20 form numbers you have filled in your exam, maybe you may get 1 mark or 2 marks, maybe. That too, there's a maybe. Yeah, because ICAI do not give much importance to the form number, so they have started removing it. So this is the first removing. Next, section 43, chapter 4. Chapter 4 is less important, but in this there is one thing where they have removed, where in case of a private company, if if comply the financial statements and annual return filing to the ROC, then they don't have to comply this section 43. Yes, regarding this, they have removed this one. So which means earlier students have a small doubt whether this is for specified IFSC company or a private company. Now you don't have to bother. You can just write this is this exception is applicable for private company and specified IFSC company. You don't have to bother regarding this. So I hope those who purchase my book remove this, strike it off. Yeah. Next, regarding section 47, regarding next third one, regarding section 47, where they have removed this. Section 45, section 47 shall not apply if MOAO so provides, where private company has not defaulted financial statements and return. So you don't have to remember this exception anymore. Regarding section 47, for private companies, section 47 will not apply. You don't have to remember it. So by the way, please do not misunderstand where they have removed it. That does not mean that this is what they have removed the form number. So this form number is wrong. No, they have removed superb, so that you don't have to remember this form number. That's it. Next, and chapter 4, there is a correction in section 46. In my book, that is the same. There is no correction. You don't have to correct it. But study material, they have corrected. So those who have not purchased my book and studying in their own, where for a listed company, if you have submitted all the documents, then a duplicate share certificate, you will get earlier in the book. They have written as 15 days. For what? For a listed company. But actually it is not 15 days. It is not 15 days. It is 45 days. This not an amendment. This is a correction. This is a correction. Yes, in our book it is the same. There is no change. But if you are studying through some other person's book, just do this correction, because study material they have done this. Lot of teachers also have done this. In my class, in my notes is the same. 45 days is the same. When I am teaching my students, I tell in study material is 15 days. Do whatever you wish. This is what I say. Now ICAI also have come along with this same rule and they have changed it to 45 days. Yes. Next, chapter 10, section 148. In section 148, they have this is there in your audit. By the way, this you have to study, but in your audit subject group 2. So they earlier, before the new syllabus, there was an old syllabus, there was not this portion. In new syllabus, they have added it. Now they understood this is not relevant in for CA Interlaw. We'll remove it. Cost audit. Yeah. So They did not remove the entire portions. Who should prepare the cost records that they have kept? There is no change in that. Regarding cost audit, have so you can also strike who those who purchase my book. They can also strike. So up to this, they have removed, and from here to here there is a so those who do not have my book, from here to here regarding section 148. If you want take the photo study, then from here you don't have to study, from here to here you don't have to study. Then this last one, this from here to here, they have not removed it. This is the small change. So those who are like we have to purchase a new book, we have to purchase new classes, nothing is required. But if you want my classes, which is fast track classes, you can avail it, yes, but it is there only in Hindi. For a regular batch for September, I am giving it. I'm regular classes. I'm doing for English and also for Hindi. Both the batches I'm doing, but for a fast track, I'm doing only for Hindi. Yeah. So those who want Hindi fast track, you can do this. It's completely free. If you purchase my book, the classes are free. Yeah. So you can message to my number. I will send you the book, and you can also see the free fast track classes. Yeah. So there is no amendment, and please do subscribe to my channel so that tax next direct tax amendment classes are going to get uploaded. Yeah. So thank you.